Hello students, today we are going to study bacteria. Question 1. What are bacteria? Answer. Bacteria are single-celled microorganisms that can be found almost everywhere from soil to water to inside our bodies. Question 2. What are the three main shapes of bacteria? Answer. Bacteria can be classified into three main shapes: cocci, spherical; bacilli, rod-shaped; and spirilla, spiral-shaped. Question 3. What is the structure of a typical bacterial cell? Answer. A bacterial cell typically consists of a cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, ribosomes, and genetic material DNA. Question 4. How do bacteria reproduce? Answer. Bacteria reproduce through binary fission, where a single cell divides into two identical daughter cells. Question 4. What are the different types of bacteria based on their oxygen requirement? Answer. Bacteria can be classified into aerobic, requiring oxygen; anaerobic, not requiring oxygen; and facultative anaerobic, able to survive with or without oxygen types. Question 6. What is the significance of bacteria in the ecosystem? Answer. Bacteria play crucial roles in nutrient cycling, decomposition, and nitrogen fixation, contributing to the balance of ecosystem. Question 7. What are some examples of beneficial bacteria? Answer. Examples include probiotics, which aid digestion; nitrogen fixing bacteria that enrich soil; and bacteria used in fermentation process to produce foods like yogurt and cheese. Question 8. What are some common bacterial diseases? Answer. Common bacterial diseases include tuberculosis, cholera, pneumonia, strep throat, and urinary tract infection. Question 9. How do antibiotics work against bacteria? Answer. Antibiotics target specific bacterial process or structures, disrupting their growth and reproduction, ultimately killing the bacteria or inhibiting their ability to multiply. Question 10. What are antibiotic resistant bacteria? Answer. Antibiotic resistant bacteria are strains that have developed mechanisms to survive and grow despite exposure to antibiotics, making infection harder to treat. Question 11. What are extremophiles among bacteria? Answer. Extremophiles are bacteria that thrive in extreme environments such as high temperature thermophiles, high pressure barophiles, or high salinity halophiles. Question 12. What are cyanobacteria and what is their significance? Answer. Cyanobacteria are photosynthetic bacteria capable of producing oxygen through photosynthesis, playing a crucial role in earth oxygenation and food chains. Question 13. What are sulfur bacteria and where are they found? Answer. Sulfur bacteria are a type of bacteria that use sulfur compounds as an energy source. They are often found in anaerobic environments such as swamps, hot springs, and deep sea hydrothermal vents. Question 14. What is the role of sulfur bacteria in sulfur cycling? Answer. Sulfur bacteria play a key role in sulfur cycling by converting various sulfur compounds such as hydrogen sulfide into other forms through metabolic process, thus participating in nutrient cycling. Question 15. How do sulfur bacteria contribute to environmental process? Answer. Sulfur bacteria are involved in processes such as sulfur oxidation, sulfate reduction, and sulfur disproportionation, influencing the sulfur cycle and ecosystem dynamics. Question 16. What are the different types of symbiotic relationships involving bacteria? Answer. Symbiotic relationships involving bacteria include mutualism, both organisms benefit; commensalism, one benefits and the other is unaffected; and parasitism, one benefits at the expense of the other. Question 17. What are biofilms and how do bacteria form them? Answer. Biofilms are communities of bacteria that adhere to surfaces and secrete a protective extracellular matrix. Bacteria form biofilms through a process called quorum sensing, where they communicate and coordinate their activity. Question 18. How do bacteria play a role in bioremediation? Answer. Bacteria can degrade pollutants and contaminants in the environment through bioremediation process, converting harmful substances into less toxic forms, thus aiding in environmental cleanup. Question 19. What are some examples of pathogenic bacteria and the disease they cause? Answer. Examples include E. coli causing food poisoning, Mycobacterium tuberculosis causing tuberculosis, and Streptococcus pneumoniae causing pneumonia. Question 20. How do bacteria acquire antibiotic resistance and what are the consequences? Answer. Bacteria can acquire antibiotic resistance through genetic mutation or horizontal gene transfer. The consequences include the limited effectiveness of antibiotics in treating infections, leading to increased morbidity, mortality, and healthcare costs.